Yeah, naba laba abahlala beku blind date boy 2.
Ngithi bheka lona lo ngisampheka naye nje khona la
Na potential ngalo uthini
My
potential
man of the match Roman Reigns.
Yo skaka kangaka ba
yazi upara yini lo ngamgugu yazi ngimshaya everyday ngiyamtshela
straight akunyeke niyambona ungakanani
just that ngifaka yonke that's why
ngeke
kubethe everyday akabathi bakashaya
wakawina nomjita nje kuma blind date
angeke awini
because of khona mina uJohn Cena body
every content in a steering ngithi
yeah
danko mina guys indaba lekuthi angibhatali umuntu ngiyacala ukuyizwa futhi
endamanga
nakhona nekuzo yangayo ukuthi utshela abantu kanjani mina ngiyaziphushela inkulumo zinginike imali yabo so mina I will keep on doing what I do
best yeah
because I will keep taking a lot of views
like take a
red winner kankani
mina yazi into bangitshela yona ukuthini yazi mina into bangitshela yona ukuthini
ubani yeah
boss yami my CEO like the brand angitshela ukuthi asincingi
Asneng ne
Samba Street
straight asneng forward pili
igama le Smile Entertainment lize ngayo
yeah
lize ngayo
yeah
ngamtshela ngathi mngani wena la une entertainment first blind date
yeah
entertainment